Why your small YouTube channel isn't growing and how to fix it. Hi everyone, I'm Lydia from incomingsuccess.com, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to grow online even with a small audience. If you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe down below and press the bell to be notified when I upload. So in today's video we're going to talk about the things that makes your channel stand still and not gain any subscribers and any views, and how exactly you can fix those and grow your YouTube channel and start making money with it as well. Number one, you're not posting things that people are actually searching for or want to see. I know this might be hard to hear. I've been on YouTube for around 2 years before I've actually seen growth. And you know why? Because I haven't followed these tips that I'm going to share with you. The reason I was not following these tips is because I was sure that my content was good enough and that people will find it and people should like it because I worked hard on it. That's not how YouTube works, and I believe you know it by now if you've been struggling to grow for a while. So I've been making makeup videos, sewing videos, and my channel was just not growing at all. And until I did these things that I'm going to share with you, it hasn't grown a bit. So the first thing I did was research videos that people will actually want to see in my niche, obviously. So I researched those videos and I tried hearing out what people would want to watch instead of me kind of demanding that they watch what I put out, because I put a lot of effort into it. YouTube is not about that. YouTube is about the viewer. So if you want your channel to be successful, make sure to do your research on the videos you post beforehand, and you really keep in mind that you make your videos for a certain audience and that they should be the ones that want to watch it. The next thing is you're not actually researching the keywords for the videos that you're gonna post before even filming. So I use TubeBuddy for this, and I go to my YouTube search bar, for example, and for example, let's say I want to create a video about how to make money online freelancing. I write that keyword in there, and I'm going to talk more about this in my keywords video, how I find keywords for my YouTube videos and rank in search, which is going to come up in a few days. But what I do is I write the title that I want in the search bar for YouTube, and I also have the TubeBuddy extension on my Google Chrome. So I search for a keyword and I keep writing other keywords until the keyword score that they tell me is a good keyword score, and until they tell me that their searches results are less and that I can compete with. So again, I'm going to talk more about this and I'm going to explain to you how to do that in my video. So be sure to subscribe and press the bell to be notified when that comes up. But researching your videos before even filming them and before posting them is what is keeping you from growing if you're not doing this. Number 3, you don't have a set target audience for your videos and a target audience that would really be interested in the topics that you're talking about on your channel. And for that, what you need to do is craft an audience. So craft a certain audience that would want to watch your videos. For example, for me, there are young entrepreneurs that need to learn how to market their online business. There are people that already have been having businesses for a while but still want to learn more social media marketing platforms to grow their business even further, and people that just want to learn how to make money online. So I have set this target audience and I create my videos around that audience, so people who would watch those videos would also subscribe to my channel and get me more views and watch other videos of mine, and so on. And that leads me to number 4, which is your videos are in too many categories on your YouTube channel and people are not really subscribing because your target audience, your niche, is not one that caters to people that would also be interested in the other. So basically, if you're creating makeup videos and business videos and then, I don't know, cooking videos, it is okay if that is your lifestyle channel and that is the kind of people you want to target, the ones that enjoy all of your hobbies together, but those are harder to find. So if you're not like that and you just want to follow a certain channel for something, I know I am like this, I only subscribe to niche channels. Well, not only, but mainly what I do and what attracts me to subscribing to a channel is that I know what type of content I will be receiving from that channel because I subscribe to that channel. So niching down is very important on YouTube. I'm going to talk a lot more about this in one of my upcoming videos, so again, stay tuned for that. Number 5, you're not optimizing your videos for SEO. I cannot stress enough how important it is to research your title, write the title in the description as well, but in a different way. Write more keywords in the description and use tags. I cannot stress it enough how much that helped me grow on YouTube. And when I see people that just upload videos just with a title, without any tags and without a description, how do you want to grow if you don't do that? Like, honestly, you need to do all of these things that I'm mentioning if you really want to grow your YouTube channel. If you really want to do it, you find the effort to do it and you'll find the strategies to do it. So it is really about your mindset and how much you want this to happen for yourself. Number 6 is you're not working enough on your thumbnails. Your thumbnails should be bright, should have writing that is not too much and that is understandable. You need to optimize your thumbnails from mobile because that's where most people watch videos from. For creating my thumbnails, I use Canva and it is free. You can use it. They have a bunch of templates, and try and include in your thumbnails something that is eye-catching, like emotion, like colors, but also keep it in your own style and in your own branding so people would recognize other thumbnails of yours and watch more videos from you. Number 7, you have not set your channel apart by finding what makes you unique. How do you find what makes you unique? You keep on posting, you are consistent, you post videos that you enjoy in different topics, and then one day it will click and you will know exactly who you want to make videos for, what topics you want to make videos about, because you've experienced all of these things and now you know what you enjoy doing, what you don't enjoy doing, what your audience loves, what your audience doesn't really like on your channel. So if you pay attention to all these things, you will be able to set yourself apart and to make your channel have that unique factor that only your channel has, and that will help you grow on YouTube. Number 8, you're not looking to be better than your competition. If you want to grow on YouTube, you must pay attention to what your competition is doing. You must research the topic that you want to post a video in and see what others are doing, analyze their videos and try and do more than them. Try and do it better than them. Try and include something unique that they maybe haven't included in their videos so you can stand out and you can add more to the table and bring more information to the viewer. Number 9, you are not paying attention to the analytics on your channel and what your audience wants or not. I always consult my audience, what they want to see on my channel, what videos they are interested in most, in my community tab on Instagram. Through DMs, I even ask them what videos they want to see in the comments and all of that. Plus, I really pay attention to which videos in my analytics got most comments, got most views, and really what my audience really wants. I pay attention to the analytics, and that helps me create more content that they will enjoy and watch on my channel, which will help me grow even more. And number 10, one of the biggest mistakes I see small YouTubers do is that they think that people will enjoy their content because they enjoy it as well. I'm not trying to be mean here, I'm just trying to tell you bluntly that I've been there. I've created videos for 2+ years, I think, that nobody was watching, and I somehow was mad at that because I thought, hey, I enjoy them so much, I enjoy making them so much, why aren't people looking at them, why aren't people searching for them? And the reality is nobody will care about you until they care about your content. Nobody will care about your personality, nobody will care about who you are until you give them value and until you give them something that will help them in their life. And that is just the reality with YouTube, that is just the reality with any business. Until you give your customer something that they really want or need to make their life better, only after you do that, it will come back to you and you will get the money for that product maybe, or you will get the recognition and the growth you deserve. And I'm not saying that I don't enjoy making these videos as well. I enjoy making them so much more because they work on YouTube and because my channel is growing. So you just really have to find your unique voice and what works for you. But until you do that and until you be allowed to create whatever content you want, you just firstly need to research what they want to see. That is if you really want to grow, and that is if you really want to make money with your YouTube channel. So there you go, these are some of the reasons why your channel stopped growing or has never been growing or just isn't gaining subscribers and views. Make sure to change these things one by one one at a time and learn how to create a YouTube channel that people want to watch, learn how to create content that people get value from, and your channel will grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for similar videos every single week. Also, you can press the bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.